Hello everyone, friends. Today I will trade using a new strategy with the Stochastic Oscillator indicator. Thanks to the signals from this indicator, one can easily and effectively enter trades. So let's start by going to the settings of our chart. Click on this tab, set the chart type to candlestick. Select the M1 interval. Also friends, I recommend subscribing to this channel and liking the video so you don't miss new trading videos, and also leave any comment. I almost forgot. The link to the official website of the broker I am currently trading with is in the description, as well as in the pinned comment under this video. So we have set the chart types, selected the candlestick chart type, and the M1 interval. After that, we need to select our Stochastic Oscillator indicator. To do this, click on the second tab right here. Here we have the Stochastic Oscillator indicator. You can click on this star to add it to the Favorites tab, and the Stochastic Oscillator will appear here. But as we can see, I have already added it. Click on this indicator and our sub-indicator appears at the bottom. Now we need to set it up, friends, for more convenient trading. Basically, there is not much to change in the settings. It is already set up for optimal trading, but still, for more convenient trading, to make it easier to filter signals and so on, let's change it a little. To do this, we click on this pencil. Here we don't change anything at all. Absolutely nothing. Now, we will proceed to the View tab labeled, and here, in this section, specifically in the value of 80, we will adjust the line color setting to a shade of vibrant green. We set the line width to 3 pixels. And as we can see below, our line has become clearer. Guys, this is our overbought zone. And now in the value of 20 here. We set the line color to red. We also set the line width to 3 pixels. This is our oversold zone. We set up our indicator. We trade. We click the save button, and as seen, everything has been set up nicely. Actually no, let's edit something here. Let's also set the line width to 3 pixels here. And the orange one to 3 pixels as well. That's it, friends. As we can see, everything is now clearly visible. The overbought and oversold zones have indeed become bolder, as we can see. And our lines have become more distinct. So we will open for 3 minutes, friends. When you register on this platform, there will be a checkbox for the expiration mode. You need to change it for more accurate trading. We simply click on this checkbox, and here, as we can see, the data clock appears. We click on our time and press the M3 button, meaning we will open a trade for 3 minutes. We will open at the opening of a new candle. Since we have chosen a 1 minute time frame here, each candle lasts 1 minute. Then a new candle opens. This candle lasts 1 minute. And this candle also lasts 1 minute. And accordingly, when, let's say, the current candle closes, we will enter. On the new candle, if the rules are met, for example, for an upward trade, on the new candle. So, now I will explain when to enter a trade for 3 minutes. An upward trade for 3 minutes is made when the blue line crosses the orange line from below in the oversold zone. Now I will explain when to enter for 3 minutes down. A downward trade for 3 minutes is typically made generally when the blue line crosses the orange line from above in the overbought zone. Now I will give you an example of a situation for entering a trade. As we can see, friends, we have this candle. And also, as we can see, there was a crossover. That is, the blue line crossed the orange line, as we can see. And then we could open a trade here for 3 minutes down, and accordingly, as we can see, 3 candles went down, and we could take our profit, earn. Before trading, I recommend reviewing the history of the currency pair to see if these situations have worked out with this indicator or not. If they haven't worked out, I recommend changing the currency pair and finding one where the situations have worked out to trade profitably. So, here it is forming. As I said, we will open on a new candle, guys. We will open on a new candle. Now we currently have 10, 18, 38 seconds. If this candle closes now, and the crossover remains, we will open a down trade for 3 minutes for the amount of 20 bucks. I usually always open with approximately 20 bucks following risk and money management. So, 2 seconds. So guys, I'm opening a down trade for 3 minutes. That's it. As we can see, our trade is open. The crossover occurred, and we are right now in an ideal situation. I want to tell you, a very good situation, in which we opened 10 seconds, literally until the closing of our trade, we are just beautifully handling the situation. Our trade here went from the candle and is now really going in our direction, just great. So guys, we traded the Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar, making $18.40 in profit. Everything is happening beautifully. In principle, the indicator is good. I like it because it really provides quality signals and performs quite well. Here we go guys, super. Found a crossover. I'm opening a trade for 3 minutes to the upside. That's it. We're just jumping in for an upward trade as we can see for 3 minutes, and we're just sitting back and enjoying it. There are 2 minutes and 50 seconds left until the closing of our trade. So 5 seconds until closing, 4 seconds, 3. Come on, close. Great. That's it guys, we closed the trade. Another one in profit as we can see. Excellent. As we can see, the indicator works and provides good signals. The most important thing guys is to enter the trade correctly. We found a situation, entered for 3 minutes and executed it. We found another situation, executed it, made our profit and so on. I'm opening a trade for 3 minutes to the downside. That's it, there was a crossover as we can see. That's it. The price is moving in our direction as we can see. Excellent guys, 55 seconds until the trade closes. The second candle as we can see is also opening for a decline. We're just doing great today, handling the situation perfectly. This is definitely a profit guys. We worked it out. We handled 3 trades. And as we can see, the indicator is excellent, just providing great signals. We enter, work it out, trade. Once again, the link to the official website of this broker, where I am currently trading, is in the description, as well as in the pinned comment under this video. I recommend registering using the official link in the description, as there are a lot of scammers creating copies of this site and people are losing their money. That's it guys. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, so you don't miss new videos. Also, feel free to leave any comment, I would appreciate it. Thank you all for watching, I wish everyone successful trading and goodbye to all.